Hi, I'm Christina Lopez-Aducci and welcome to At Home with House of Puff. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to clean one-hitter pipes. Now, one-hitter pipes are perfect when you want just 1 or 2 quick hits, especially for those who are microdosing. But since one-hitter pipes are so satisfyingly small, resin and ash can quickly build up and ruin the taste of your smoke, so it's important to clean them regularly. Cleaning your pipe every 4 to 5 uses will also extend its life. That's especially important for your ceramic one-hitter. Plant resin buildup can corrode and crack ceramic glass, and if that happens, it's time to replace your pipe. Regardless, who doesn't want to smoke from a fresh, clean pipe? Cleaning a ceramic one-hitter is such a snap, and you can use what you have already in your pantry. Cleaning method number 1. Wipe it with alcohol. The quickest, cleanest, easiest way is simple as grabbing some cotton swabs and rubbing alcohol. Just soak your cotton swab in alcohol and give the pipe a good rub down. Just make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. It just falls out so easily. When you're done, give it a solid rinse under warm water to wash off any alcohol and extra debris. As soon as it's dry, you're good to go. It's been a while and your pipe is extra funky, you gotta give it an overnight soak. So I filled this with 99% high potency rubbing alcohol. If you can get it, 70 is fine too. I filled the container, it's been soaking overnight, and I'm taking one of my Q-tips, which also has alcohol in it. I order these online, they're fantastic. And you're just gonna give it a quick wipe down. It's all coming out. Yeah, and just, fill it enough where it covers your pipe, wipe it down, and again, just like in method number 1, you're gonna wanna clean it off, rinse it with water, and look at that. Beautiful, clean, good as new. You can also add a teaspoon of salt near the end of the soak. If you do, just gently swish the pipe in the container to get the heavier gunk out before you start wiping it with the swab. Then again, rinse your one-hitter well with warm water, good as new. Cleaning method number 3. Well, you don't want to use alcohol. We've all been there. If you want a more eco-friendly option, we've got you covered. You can lose the alcohol and the swabs. Instead, make a solution from water, baking soda, vinegar, and salt. Of course, you can play around with these ingredients to make something that works best for you. I've got my At Home with House of Puff little stove here. It's boiling some water. All I'm gonna do is add a teaspoon of baking soda. Add about a teaspoon or so of, it's like a science experiment here. And then some salt. I'm gonna place my gunky pipe in the boiling water. Now make sure you don't cook your one-hitter pipe. This is just a really gentle, fail-safe method. Once your solution is boiling, again, you're gonna wanna reduce it. Look, it's literally just floating to the top. The solution itself should loosen and remove the residue in about 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Just gonna remove it. Everything is floating to the top. Oh, yeah. Gonna lay it down right here on my nebula tray. Don't burn your fingers. If the boil hasn't already removed the buildup, you could scrub it with a reusable pot scrubber or pipe cleaner. This did a really good job. And as always, just rinse your one-hitter, give it a final rinse under warm water, dry, and you're good to go. Now you have 3 easy ways to keep your little one-hitter super fresh and inviting, whether you're just looking for a quick refresh or a deep cleanse. They're all super easy. Enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you next time on At Home with House of Puff.